Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, when defining methods within a class, there is a convention regarding the use of self as the first parameter. The self parameter represents the instance of the class and is used to access class variables and methods. Let's explore the difference between self.variable_name and variable_name inside a method within a Python class with code examples. When you use self.variable_name within a method, you are referring to an instance variable. Instance variables are unique to each instance of the class, and they can store data that belongs to a specific object. These variables are accessed using the self keyword. In this example, self.instance_variable is an instance variable that is set during the initialization of the class, __init___. The print_instance_variable method then prints the value of this instance variable for the specific object. If you use variable_name without self within a method, you are creating a local variable that exists only within the scope of that method. This variable is not associated with the class instance, and its value is not preserved between method calls. In this example, local_variable is a variable defined within the method _with_local_variable method. It is not accessible outside the method, and attempting to access it from outside the method would result in an attribute error. In summary, using self.variable_name within a method allows you to work with instance variables, providing a way to store and access data that is specific to each instance of the class. On the other hand, using variable_name without self creates a local variable, which is limited to the scope of the method and does not persist between method calls. Understanding the distinction between these two approaches is crucial when working with Python classes. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding self.variable_name vs variable_name in methods inside Python classes. Introduction. In Python, when working with classes, it's crucial to understand the distinction between self.variable_name and variable_name within class methods. This difference is related to instance variables and local variables, and it plays a vital role in how data is stored and accessed within the class. This tutorial aims to clarify the usage of these two approaches with practical code examples. Instance variables, self.variable_name. Instance variables are associated with the instance of the class. They are declared with the self keyword and are accessible throughout the class. These variables store data unique to each instance of the class. Local variables, variable_name. Local variables are limited in scope to the method in which they are defined. They are not accessible outside the method and are typically used for temporary storage. Combining both. It's common to use both instance and local variables within a method. Instance variables store data persistently across different methods, while local variables are useful for temporary calculations. Conclusion. Understanding the difference between self.variable_name and variable_name is essential for effective use of classes in Python. Instance variables provide a way to store and access data persistently across different methods, while local variables are useful for temporary calculations within a specific method. By leveraging both types appropriately, you can create well-structured and efficient class designs. ChatGPT.